Hello everyone, we have another live trading video from Jim, and also I will be doing the support and resistance level forecast for the NASDAQ for tomorrow, June 28. So let's have a look at what happened today in Jim's video.
Good morning, June 27th. What we see here, two charts side by side. The right side is 150K funded account. This one targets $600 a day for daily profit. And this one is my new 250K funded account. And this one targets for today 1200. I had it on just 800 yesterday. I don't think it's enough. I decided to go with smaller time frames because I think we're in a summertime trading mode, which for the most part means tighter ranges. From my experience, when ranges are tight, to catch the swings, we need to use lower time frames. So this one here is filtered by a moving average, so that the other trader will only take trades in a direction of the moving average. The chart on the right is not filtered by anything except the precision trend, but it has a higher sensitivity than this one. Looking longs at first, at least until, as long as we're not below 75. As long as we're above 76, 75, I think we're going to test 7,700. If we go below 75 right now, I am going to unclick the longs and just wait to see what happens. We should have at least a test of 7,700, staying above 76, 75. By the way, I want to thank the trader who sent in screenshots of his trades using the precision trend bounce. At least I think that's what it was, and used a smaller time frame to catch those trades, and he did really great. I think it was $1,000 on 3 contracts, which is a lot better than I can do, which just goes to show you I don't have a monopoly on success. Anyone with these indicators, with this arbitrator, okay, we have a long trade with a 150K account. Anyone who's willing to put in the work, I believe, can be successful using these tools. These are superb tools. There is nothing like this on the market. And that's what allowed me to get funded on all these accounts. All right, so we're staying above 75, which is good. Now, this chart is only going to take a long when the moving average turns bullish. Right now it's red. So that's why I did not take this long. Yeah, if we break this 76, 75 area, I'm going to unclick the longs and just wait. Okay, so now it took a long because the moving average is blue. And here we go, running toward first target. Here we go, we have our first target on the chart on the left, still waiting for the chart on the right to catch up. It's a little higher there, right by this temporary resistance. It's not the real resistance, really. There's no significance to this number, at least not yet. I really want to encourage all traders who own BWT indicators or Autotrader, really send in your screenshots of your trades. Winning or losing trades, by the way, I learned a lot from my losing trades. You can really, losing trades and identifying why they were losing trades will help you improve your skills. So send in your screenshots and we can look at them together and talk about them. I know I learned a lot from the video last night to see that it's possible to use Let's get stepped out. Ooh, just. So once I hit first target, my break even went to plus 3 ticks. Yeah, I was very impressed to see that that setup that I used to use only for scalping could actually be used to generate some substantial income. So I'll really take another look at it and see how I can make it work for me. Okay, so a little higher to hit the first target here. And where's the second target? Right around 94. And now, yeah, I think over 30 ticks, it's going to be trailing. Yeah, I think over 30 ticks, this will be trailing, I think by 10 ticks. I don't remember exactly. All right, so we have first target on 150. Let's see if we can have a second target. And we do have our second target on the 250. Okay, so this one hit its second target. Oh, because this one is done for the day. I was wondering why. All right. The 150 is done for the day. It has a $600 daily target. And we are running. Unfortunately, it looks like my second target here was too tight. If we get it a bit more, maybe I would have reached my daily goal as it stands now. Well, now it's interesting. We got to the 7,700 and we are selling off. Not unexpected, but could be an early sign of rejection. So actually, I will put, now that we tried the 700, we'll give it the Autotrader an opportunity to go short if the moving average turns bearish. Let's just unclick this because this chart is done. And I always like to disengage the Autotrader even though it will not trade anymore at this point. The target is down here. Okay, so looks like, all right, so now the moving average went bearish. Now if price pops up and then sells off before the moving average turns bullish again, we're going to have a short trade. Yeah, the 7,700 did not hold, which at least temporarily means we could have lower prices. Like I always say, if one door is closed, price is going to go to the next door. Where is this next door? Around 76.75. Being rejected of 7,700 could mean the price will go to 76.75. And now if we have a sell, it should catch it. Here's the precision trend. If we go below the precision trend, we're going to have a short trade. Here we are. And we have our target. Goodness me, look at that. We have our target. And that happened fast. Wow. I'm sorry, I don't... you know, this Autotrader is just so phenomenal. And I mean, this account with a combination with the Autotrader to me could mean a game changer. This was almost 1,200 in 2 trades. Now each one is, oh no, I forgot to, I'm sorry. Actually, when I trade, I prefer not to trade with the text showing, but I do want to show you that indeed this is live market. So I'm going to just put this on for now. So we can see I'm trading 6 contracts. And like I wonder if I had a bit more, a larger target on the second half, if that would help to just achieve the daily goal on it. I'm not sure here. But then here came a second one, moving average being bearish. Here comes precision trend, sell, and just the perfect sell. Wow. Very impressive performance by the Autotrader. I did not trade my own account today, the precision trend bounce. Again, I'm still having issues with trading a lot of different accounts. It's something I'm going to have to work on. If I'm going to have 500 accounts, I'm going to have to learn how to trade everything simultaneously, as tricky as it may be. But can't complain about today. So I am going on vacation next week. I will not be trading next week. I'm going to spend some time with the family, which is definitely better than trading. And yeah, Fridays in the summer, if I do trade, it's very, very... So if I do trade tomorrow, it will just be with one account, just one account, one template. Because Fridays during the summer tend to be very, very choppy and no direction, and there's no reason to turn a really good week into a not so good week. So again, just keep looking at this in amazement. This is something. Right, guys, I will see you either tomorrow or then after the 4th of July. Thanks.